The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 is celebrated as one of humanity's greatest achievements, marking the first time humans set foot on the moon. However, a persistent conspiracy theory claims that this historic event was a hoax orchestrated by NASA. According to this theory, the moon landing was faked to distract the public from a secret mission to establish a base on the moon for studying extraterrestrial artifacts. This article delves into the origins, key elements, evidence, and implications of this conspiracy theory. Origins of the theory. The moon landing hoax theory gained traction in the 1970s, fueled by a general distrust in government following the Watergate scandal and the Vietnam War. Dill Kaysing's 1976 book, We Never Went to the Moon, America's $30 billion Swindle, was among the first to suggest that the moon landings were faked. Over time, this basic premise evolved to include even more elaborate conspiracies, including the secret mission to study alien artifacts. Key elements of the conspiracy theory fake moon landing. The theory suggests that the Apollo 11 moon landing was staged on Earth, possibly in a Hollywood studio or a secret military base. The primary motivation was to assert U.S. dominance in the space race against the Soviet Union and to distract from the secret mission. Secret lunar base. Proponents argue that while the public was shown a staged landing, a covert mission was launched to establish a base on the far side of the moon. This base, they claim, was intended for the study of extraterrestrial artifacts and technology. Extraterrestrial artifacts. According to the theory, the U.S. government had prior knowledge of alien structures or artifacts on the moon, which they intended to investigate and potentially reverse engineer for technological advancements. Evidence tampering. The theory posits that NASA and other government agencies have systematically altered or destroyed evidence to maintain the cover-up. This includes manipulating photographs, videos, and telemetry data. Evidence and claims. Photographic anomalies. Conspiracy theorists often point to anomalies in the photographs and videos from the Apollo missions. They claim that inconsistent shadows, reflections, and the absence of stars in the sky indicate that the images were faked. Van Allen radiation belts. Some argue that passing through the Van Allen radiation belts would have been lethal to the astronauts, making a successful moon mission impossible without advanced, undisclosed technology. Missing tapes and lost data. The disappearance of original telemetry tapes and some data from the Apollo missions is cited as evidence of a cover-up. The loss of this primary data seen as suspicious and indicative of tampering. Whistleblower testimonies. Over the years, various individuals have come forward claiming to have inside knowledge of the moon landing hoax and the secret mission. These testimonies, though lacking corroborative evidence, are used to support the conspiracy theory. Criticisms and skepticism. Scientific scrutiny. The vast majority of scientists, engineers, and experts dismiss the moon landing hoax theory. They point out that the anomalies cited by conspiracy theorists can be explained by the conditions on the moon and the limitations of 1960s photography technology. International verification. The Soviet Union, the US's main competitor in the space race, closely monitored the Apollo missions. They would have had both the capability and motivation to expose a hoax if it had occurred. Their silence is taken as implicit verification of the mission's authenticity. Astronaut testimonies. The astronauts who participated in the Apollo missions have consistently and vehemently affirmed the reality of their lunar landings. Their detailed accounts and emotional testimonies add credibility to the official narrative. Physical evidence. Moon rocks brought back by the Apollo missions have been studied extensively by scientists worldwide. Their unique properties and composition provide strong evidence that they were collected on the lunar surface. Cultural impact. The moon landing hoax theory has had a significant impact on popular culture, inspiring numerous books, documentaries, and films. It reflects a broader skepticism toward governmental and institutional authority and taps into a fascination with space and extraterrestrial life. The idea of a secret lunar base studying alien artifacts continues to captivate the imagination, blending science fiction with conspiracy theory. Conclusion. The theory that the 1969 Apollo moon landing was faked to distract from a secret mission to study extraterrestrial artifacts remains a popular, though widely debunked, conspiracy theory. While it offers an intriguing narrative that combines elements of deception, advanced technology, and alien intrigue, it lacks substantive evidence and is contradicted by extensive scientific validation and testimony. Nonetheless, it persists as a cultural phenomenon, reflecting ongoing curiosity and skepticism about humanity's ventures into space and the unknown.